Hello guys, welcome to Electrical Preps. So today we are going to solve this problem. It says 4m minus 2 into bracket 3 plus 2m bracket close plus m into bracket 2m plus 4 bracket close is equal to 0, and we are to find the values of m. So this is a grade 8 problem, okay? Grade 8 problem. So solution, we are having 4m minus 2 into bracket 3 plus 2m plus m 2m plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so what you need to do first is to simplify and open the brackets. So we have 4m minus into bracket 2 times 3 plus 2 multiplied by 2m bracket close plus this one will be 2m times m plus m times 4 is equal to 0. So m times 2m, this is it, then m times 4 is here, okay? So and this one too is 2 times 3, which is this, 2 times 2m, which is this. So let's continue to simplify this. So we get 4m minus 2 times 3, get 6 plus 2 times 2, which is 4, then the m, so it will be 4m plus 2 times 2m is 2m squared, okay? So it's m times m, you see, which is m squared. So, and the 2, so it must be 2m squared plus m times 4 will give us 4m. So we are going to get 4m, the open bracket, it will be negative 6 minus 4m plus 2m squared plus 4m is equal to 0. Consider this is a negative m and this positive m. So 4m minus 4m, it gives us 0. So we are having negative 6 plus 2m squared plus 4m is equal to 0. So we need to arrange this in a nice way, okay? So we are going to get 2m squared plus 4m minus 6 is equal to 0. So we have been able to resolve this into a quadratic equation. And this, you can use the factorization method to solve it, okay? So at your level, grade 8, we need to use the factorization to express this, okay? So simplify this. So let's simplify this further. So let's divide, we say divide both, or okay, let's divide 2 by 2. So dividing 2 by 2, 2 over 2 is 1, so we get m squared. 4 over 2 is 2, so plus 2m. Then 6 divided by 2, we get negative 3, which is equal to 0. So now we can use this to solve. So we are going to look for a number. When we multiply, we are getting negative 3, but when we add, we are going to get a positive 2m. So we can think of 3 times negative 1. See, so negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. But 3 plus negative 1, we are getting 2. So it means that this one works for us. So to be m squared plus 3m minus m minus 3 is equal to 0. So you see, so this is the 3, this is the negative 1, which is m. Okay, so you can get m squared plus 3m in one bracket. Then you can also get plus bracket negative m minus 3 in one bracket. See? So in this case, we can factorize m out here, the first bracket. So we can get m out, m plus 3. So m times m will give us m squared. M times 3 is 3m. So we are getting it back. It means we are correct. Then here, you can factorize out -1 into bracket m plus 3 is equal to 0. So you can also get back this expression. -1 times m is -m. -1 times 3, you are getting -3 back. So this expression is correct. We take the constants outside of the factors. So you get m minus 1 in one bracket. Then you choose in between this since they are the same. Bracket m plus 3 is equal to 0. So we can say that m minus 1 is equal to 0 or m plus 3 is equal to 0. So making m the subject here, we get m is equal to 1 or m is equal to -3. Therefore, the values of m is equal to -1. So it's +1, 1 or -3. So these are the values for m. Don't forget to subscribe and be with us.